Hey guys, quick video to show you how to change a flat tire on your car using the donut that comes in your car and the jack. So I'll show you where to find what you need and let's get started. You're gonna find this in your trunk, hidden down here, your tire and the jack. Sometimes you have like extra storage here for your jack and stuff, but the idea is the same. So you have this little holder that you usually unscrew and loosen up. Mine's already loose, so I just actually pulled this out. This is just for show. Get your spare out. Get your jack and the wrench. So this one, the charger comes with this funky looking one. The standard looking is like this. So you might have either, but this is the setup we're working with. So now you have everything you need to change your tire when you're stranded in the middle of nowhere, basically. Let's get started. So before you jack up your car, you have to loosen up the lug nuts. If you don't, if you try to twist them when the car is lifted, your wheel is going to spin. So I already made 3 of these loose. Since I don't want to waste your time showing you, we're going to get the rest now. You should be able to do this by hand pressure, but if not, give a knee or a leg push. It's simple as that. This is not a fun tool to use, but if that's what your car comes with, that's what you're gonna have on hand. So yeah. So I'm gonna loosen up most of them, all of them I mean. Take out a couple now. I'm gonna leave the other 2 on fully still, so the wheel doesn't wobble when I lift the car. You don't want to bend anything either. Or you can leave these on all the way. Since this is already loose now, it will be easy to remove with this. So now I'm gonna show you where you put the jack so you don't damage your car. It's the same with the front and the back. You look for a little cutout usually, or some kind of space where you have the actual frame where you're gonna put the jack under. So let me show you what this looks like here. So any of this would work, but that space is specifically cut out for your jack. As you see, it has a slit here that's gonna go nicely right against it. So now I'm just gonna twist this to lift it, line it up. And as you see, I'm already lifting the car just by my hand. But now we're gonna get the wrench and jack it up all the way. So there'll be different wrench setups. Also, sometimes it's a 2-piece that you put here to start twisting this. This one just goes on like it would on the bolt on the car. You just go like this. And we go up. You want to lift the wheel until it's a couple inches off the ground. You have it flat, so it's actually way lower than it's supposed to be. Especially when you're replacing full-size wheels. A donut might fit even on this height. We need to lift it till the wheel is off the ground so we can actually take it off. That's not gonna work. And don't forget, this is emergency stuff. When you have a home, you have a nice jack to jack your car up in a couple seconds. You're obviously gonna go with that. But when you're stuck in the middle of the highway, this is what you do. Happened to me one time, 4:30 in the morning on a busy highway, so even at that time, so that was not fun. You can also, if you have anything to put under here, you always want to put something on there, but you're not going under the car, so we're not gonna have a jack stand in the car when we're stuck in the middle of the road. Alright, I'm gonna loosen up the rest of these guys. off. It's too tight. Give it a kick. So that's it. We removed the wheel. Grab our donut. Put the lug nuts back on. Hand tighten is enough right now because we're going to tighten it once it's on the ground fully. So now we're just going to drop the car back down. That's done. Now we're just going to tighten all these down. Do that with the rest. And that's a tire change. Throw your tire back in the car and you're all set. I believe speed limit for donuts is about 50 miles per hour. It's a temporary fix. So make sure you go to the shop, get your tire fixed and so on. I hope this is helpful. Questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you later.